Friends, welcome to Monica's Indian cooking classes at Food Art Science. Today we are going to make potato and cauliflower. Ta-da! Here it is. Come on, join the recipe. So any vegetable oil? I am using rice bran oil.
Yes.
Mustard oil also goes very well, or peanut oil or sunflower oil. This much is good enough. And then black mustard seeds. And 1 spoon of cumin powder, cumin seeds. Now, at this stage you can also add garlic or ginger, anything of your choice. And some curry leaves, like I'm using 2. Curry leaves are full of antioxidants and they got a bit of spice in that. That's it. Today I'm not using much of the spices. It's just plain simple, which even children can eat or anyone who, and they are still tasty without spices. Once they are done, we are going to add cauliflower florets. I reduce the flame. If you got raw potatoes, then you should add right now. If you got the boiled ones, you should be adding them once they are more than half cooked. Now you can add peas, corn, carrots, anything of your choice. Cover it hot and keep stirring it in between and check after 10 minutes if you need to add then or then. That's it. Now we can So not done properly, but we want potatoes to marinate well. And you can add any leaves of your choice like coriander or mint. I got these radish leaves at home, so I'm using their fiber and vitamin C nutrients here once these are cooked properly. And now just a spoon of salt and there is already a lot of cumin here. You can add red chili or black pepper, but I'm just going very simple with turmeric, that's it. I have taken a light bottom pan, so I want cauliflower to be roasted a bit and potatoes to be roasted. You can use a heavy bottom one, it will be at just different flavor. these green radish leaves. You can add garam masala if you got in the end, but that is also kind of a bitter taste. But if you are adding already radish leaves, that would work well. So now you can see, if you want more of greenery here, then you can add few more leaves if you want. And now we can check if cauliflower is done or not. Yeah, so I will switch it off, but leave it covered so it marinates well, and we can set salt at this stage and adjust if it needs to be.